Hi, I'm Corinne Josepher, and I'm here with Hajir and Frank Blakely at Bay Equity Home Loans, and we're here to discuss what you need to know to make home buying within your reach. Today we're sitting down to talk about the tax benefits of buying versus renting. Hi guys, thanks for sitting down with us today. I wanted to ask you about what the tax benefits are of buying versus renting.
Yeah, I think one of the biggest things that's that we work with home buying is that everybody kind of states that they know there's a tax benefit, right? They know that you get to write off your interest for the year, and you get to write off the property taxes or a portion of, depending on the tax bracket you're in. But they don't know the tangible benefits to themselves. Mm-hmm. So we're not accountants. We're not. However, we have experience and tools to actually give you an estimate based on your tax bracket, because that is based on your income, on what the average monthly or annual tax benefits should end up being with home ownership versus renting. Because when you rent, you get zero. I'll do double zeros.
Right.
Double zero. You get no benefit from home ownership at all. So when you buy, obviously now you have additional benefits versus having your own place.
Yeah, one of the biggest tax deductions nationally for Americans are the mortgage interest deductions, which the way that it works is it being deducted from the actual income. So they're not going to pay taxes for that portion of the income that if you were renting, they had to pay taxes for.
Right.
And depending on the tax bracket that falls into, it can be anywhere between 15% to 33% of that money. That literally is like Uncle Sam is partnering with them on that home ownership and is paying for a portion of that payment. Now, most of the questions that I get at this point from clients is, okay, I get that on April 15th, but I have to pay these payments on a monthly basis.
Right.
Now what? If you go to irs.gov, the actual website has a calculator there that would allow you to calculate your allowance number, and that's a number that you can use, the new number, to be given to the HR and basically reduce the amount of taxes that being withheld every paycheck. So you can be home with more money, as a result be able to afford a higher payment to pay. And not wait until April 15th.
Yeah, so basically if you're looking at your paychecks and what you deduct, so you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 exempt, you basically go in and go, all right, now I'm at 0, and I'm getting the maximum amount of taxes taken out of each paycheck. So let me bump that number up to get more out of every check and not feel like you're going to owe a bunch of money once you get your taxes completed in the beginning of the year.
A good CPA accountant can help with that calculation. That number, it can be literally up to 99. So that can really help the homeowners to have more money to come home this way, to be able to.
Yeah, so a $2,200 payment in rent is not the same as $2,200 in home ownership. And the reason is what Hajir just said, is that you're going to get your tax deductions. You're also going to have principal payment going down every month as well. So there's some extra added value in home ownership from a monthly basis as well.
Great. So it will influence your income and your tax deductions.
And yeah, feel free to give us a call and we can do the math for you and show you those numbers.
Great. Thank you guys so much.
You're very welcome.